in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the boot mode or boot menu on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together and keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the rebooting message under it. And once you see the rebooting, you need to release both buttons and then start pressing the lower button, upper button, my bad, repeatedly until you see the boot menu. It takes about 3 presses, I believe, but you can just keep pressing it. Okay, so let's start by pressing and holding the both buttons. Keep holding them. Once you see this message, start pressing the upper button and you will enter the boot menu. And here we have options like continue, recovery, download mode and power off. Continue basically reboots the watch and boots into a system. Recovery reboots the watch and boots into recovery menu. Download enters the download mode, and power off turns off the watch. So select the option you like, and to confirm the option in this menu, you need to press and hold the upper button. As you can see, we pressed continue and we're back in the system, and that's how you enter the boot menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.